Welcome to the English level test. In this video, you'll answer 50 multiple-choice questions to find out your English level, from beginner, A1, to advanced, C1. How it works. You will see a question with 4 options, A, B, C, D. Choose the best answer before the timer ends. Keep track of your answers on paper or in your mind. At the end, I'll show you the answer key and a scoring guide to check your level. Remember, don't pause the video too much, try to answer quickly, just like in a real test. Alright, let's begin your English level test. Good luck! A1, Beginner. 1. What is the opposite of big? A. Large. B. Small. C. Tall. D. Long. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2. What color is the sky on a clear day? A. Blue. B. Green. C. Black. D. Yellow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3. Which word is a fruit? A. Apple. B. Chair. C. Book. D. Table. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 4. How many days are in a week? A. 5. B. 6. C. 7. D. 8. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5. What is cat? A. An animal. B. A color. C. A number. D. A place. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 6. Which one is a greeting? A. Goodbye. B. Thank you. C. Hello. D. Please. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 7. I __ student. A. Is. B. Are. C. Am. D. Be. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 8. Which word is a number? A. 10. B. Pen. C. Man. D. Run. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 9. Which is the correct sentence? A. She go school. B. She goes to school. C. She to go school. D. She going school. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10. What is 2 plus 2? A. 3. B. 5. C. 4. D. 6. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answers. 1. B. Small. 2. A. Blue. 3. A. Apple. 4. C. 7. 5. A. An animal. 6. C. Hello. 7. C. Am. 8. A. 10. 9. B. She goes to school. 10. C. 4. A. 2. Elementary. 11. What do you usually eat in the morning? A. Lunch. B. Dinner. C. Breakfast. D. Snack. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 12. How do you usually go to school? A. By car. B. By chair. C. By pen. D. By table. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 13. Which sentence is correct? A. He don't like apples. B. He doesn't like apples. C. He not like apples. D. He no like apples. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 14. What's the opposite of hot? A. Warm. B. Cold. C. Cool. D. Heat. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 15. Yesterday means A. Today. B. Tomorrow. C. The day before today. D. Next week. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 16. Which word is not an animal? A. Tiger. B. Banana. C. Dog. D. Elephant. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 17. Which one is a country? A. London. B. Delhi. C. India. D. Paris. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 18. What is the plural of child? A. Childs. B. Childer. C. Children. D. Childs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 19. What time is midnight? A. 6 a.m. B. 12 a.m. C. 12 p.m. D. 6 p.m. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 20. Which sentence is correct? A. I am go to school. B. I going to school. C. I am going to school. D. I go school now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answers. 11. C. Breakfast. 12. A. By car. 13. B. He doesn't like apples. 14. B. Cold. 15. C. The day before today. 16. B. Banana. 17. C. India. 18. C. Children. 19. B. 12 a.m. 20. C. I am going to school. B1. Intermediate. 21. What is the past tense of go? A. Goes. B. Gone. C. Went. D. Going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 22. Choose the correct sentence. A. I have visited Paris last year. B. I visited Paris last year. C. I visit Paris last year. D. I visiting Paris last year. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 23. Which word means happy? A. Sad. B. Angry. C. Glad. D. Tired. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 24. Which is a correct question? A. Where you are going. B. Where are you going? C. Where going you are. D. Where going are you? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 25. What's the opposite of always? A. Never. B. Often. C. Sometimes. D. Usually. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 26. Which word is spelled correctly? A. Really. B. Riley. C. Really. D. Really. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 27. Which word is a synonym of intelligent? A. Clever. B. Stupid. C. Slow. D. Lazy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 28. Choose the correct sentence. A. She can to swim. B. She can swimming. C. She can't swim. D. She can swim. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 29. Which sentence is correct? A. If it rains, we will stay home. B. If it will rain, we stay home. C. If rains, we will home. D. If it rain, we stay home. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 30. Which word is a noun? A. Beautiful. B. Quickly. C. Happiness. D. Running. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 21. C. Went. 22. B. I visited Paris last year. 23. C. Glad. 24. B. Where are you going? 25. A. Never. 26. C. Really. 27. A. Clever. 28. D. She can swim. 29. A. If it rains, we will stay home. 30. C. Happiness. B2. Upper intermediate. 31. Which sentence uses the passive voice? A. The chef cooked the meal. B. The meal was cooked by the chef. C. The chef is cooking the meal. D. The meal cooks fast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 32. Choose the correct reported speech. He said, I am tired. A. He said he is tired. B. He said he was tired. C. He said he were tired. D. He said he tired. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 33. What is the opposite of generous? A. Kind. B. Rude. C. Mean. D. Helpful. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 34. Which sentence is correct? A. She suggested go to the park. B. She suggested going to the park. C. She suggested to going park. D. She suggested to go park. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 35. Which word is closest in meaning to difficult? A. Easy. B. Hard. C. Simple. D. Light. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 36. Which conditional is correct? A. If I will see him, I tell him. B. If I see him, I will tell him. C. If I saw him, I tell him. D. If I see him, I told him. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 37. Which word is an adjective? A. Running. B. Carefully. C. Exciting. D. Friend. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 38. Choose the correct option. A. Despite of the rain, we went out. B. In spite of the rain, we went out. C. Although of the rain, we went out. D. Because the rain, we went out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 39. Which is a correct collocation? A. Make a photo. B. Do homework. C. Cook a homework. D. Take a food. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 40. Which is the most polite request? A. Open the door. B. Could you please assist me? C. Help me now. D. Give me that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 31. B. The meal was cooked by the chef. 32. B. He said he was tired. 33. C. Mean. 34. B. She suggested going to the park. 35. B. Hard. 36. B. If I see him, I will tell him. 37. C. Exciting. 38. B. In spite of the rain, we went out. 39. B. Do homework. 40. B. Could you please assist me? C1. Advanced. 41. Which phrase means meticulous? A. Very fast. B. Very careful. C. Very lazy. D. Very small. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 42. Which sentence is correct? Third conditional. A. If I had known, I would have helped you. B. If I knew, I will help you. C. If I know, I would help you. D. If I had knew, I would help you. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 43. Which word is closest in meaning to approximate? A. Estimate. B. Exact. C. Perfect. D. Correct. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 44. Which sentence is punctuated correctly? A. The book which I borrowed is new. B. The book which I borrowed is new. C. The book which I borrowed is new. D. The book which I borrowed is new. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 45. What does to play devil's advocate mean? A. To help everyone. B. To argue the opposite side. C. To always agree. D. To be quiet. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 46. Which word is closest in meaning to substantial? A. Tiny. B. Significant. C. Weak. D. Small. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 47. Which sentence uses inversion correctly? A. Hardly I had reached when it started to rain. B. Hardly had I reached when it started to rain. C. I had hardly reached when it started to rain. D. Had hardly I reached when it started to rain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 48. Which is an idiom meaning generally? A. By and large. B. In the small. C. In case of. D. Over and done. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 49. Which sentence is correct, subjunctive mood? A. I suggest that he study harder. B. I suggest that he studies harder. C. I suggest he studied harder. D. I suggest he is studying harder. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 50. Which is the most formal expression? A. You're wrong. B. You're not right. C. It appears that you may be mistaken. D. You think wrong. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 41. B. Very careful. 42. A. If I had known, I would have helped you. 43. A. Estimate. 44. B. The book, which I borrowed, is new. 45. B. To argue the opposite side. 46. B. Significant. 47. B. Hardly had I reached when it started to rain. 48. A. By and large. 49. A. I suggest that he study harder. 50. C. It appears that you may be mistaken. Thank you for taking the test. Count your correct answers and check your level. 0 to 10 A1, beginner. 11 to 20 A2, elementary. 21 to 30 B1, intermediate. 31 to 40 B2, upper intermediate. 41 to 50 C1, advanced. Keep practicing every day to reach the next level. Comment your score below and share your level. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more English practice tests. Next video, speaking practice for your level.